Okay, so my sand came in today, which is surprisingly. It came a little earlier than I expected. But tomorrow is the rescape, but you won't see the video. You won't see a video of the finished thing till like next week. But I've kind of prepared tonight. I kind of took out the bigger plants already, put them down there. Gravel cleaned everything just so it's not a big old mess when I go to take all the gravel out tomorrow. Because it was pretty dirty under those plants, like very dirty. You can obviously see there's still stuff floating at the top. But I did like a little water change just so I can, well, when I was gravel cleaning, that was kind of basically my water change. And I kind of sucked up everything I could, and then had to probably clean out my intakes because you can obviously see all of them are pretty filthy now after cleaning all that up. But I'm just gonna leave this one in here just to have a little bit of protection because I don't want to take everything out and stress out the fish. So I just left those two things in there. Honestly, probably could just float the plants in there, which, yeah, that's honestly probably what I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna set them in there instead of burying them back, just so they have something. But to the sand, finally got it. It's the Sunset Gold CARIBSEA Supernatural. Probably the best sand, looking sand, besides like the white. Which I didn't want white because obviously if you have white sand before, it just stains over time. So, and plus I didn't think it'd look good with my setup, being kind of a natural tropical. So I don't know. But obviously it says it's like a sunset gold, which makes you think of like a yellow goldish color, which over here, which it is, but it's more like a tan. And it has a little bit of black speckles, white in there. But I got a 20-pound bag. That's basically all I need for a 40-gallon. I mean, I'm not going to be burying stuff, so I'd be good with like barely any substrate. But this should fill it up decently. Like, it's not going to fill it up that much, really. But got this big bag of it. Then, just a little example. I dumped some of it on this table. And this is one of my serious stones. So just so you guys, some people, there's actually like no videos on this exact substrate, not very good ones. So I thought I could, show it a little better than these other people. So I kind of put some serious stone because I really didn't know if the sand was gonna look good, but so far I think it's gonna look alright. I mean, I don't know. I think over time it'll look okay. But from this, obviously, it's a little darker in person. It kind of shows a little lighter. But I put this piece of serious. It's kind of dark right here. I put the darker side. But if you don't look too bad. But you guys can tell me what you think. I'll see if you can imagine a bunch of it in that same arch we showed in that last video. I don't know. I guess you guys will. I'll see it first tomorrow, but might take a while to rescape tomorrow just because I have to rebuild the whole rock thing. But yeah, I guess that's it. I mean, if you have any questions about this, I can definitely tell you because I don't want to make this video so long. I didn't want it to take hours to upload so you guys can see it before it gets dark here. But yeah, the tank's gonna look way better with less like all these green plants because the green plants, that color reflects and it just makes the water turn a different color. See, as you can see when I take everything out, the light, like the tank just looks like super clear, like it just looks pure water, like it just looks the clear color, like it just had, like if I put all these plants back in there, it's probably gonna turn a little bit of a greenish tannish color. So it's probably gonna look really cool with just rocks. It's gonna really make this tank look really clean. But yeah, that's about it. Comment, like, subscribe. If you want to see anything, comment. And I'll see you next week for that rescape. Peace.